Learn Hindi greetings fast. Good morning to.
शुभ रात्रि.
In English and
हिंदी.
welcome to Hindi Hellos. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi greetings without needing 3 textbooks, 2 tutors, and 1 spiritual mountain retreat. Just listen, smile, and repeat. Today you will learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening, and good night in Hindi. Your new greeting toolkit is
सुप्रभात.
for good morning,
नमस्कार.
for good afternoon,
नमस्ते.
for good day,
शुभ संध्या.
for good evening, and
शुभ रात्रि.
for good night. If your tongue feels dramatic, that is normal. It is just auditioning for a language learning podcast. Morning has entered the chat. Let us start with sunrise energy. Imagine the sun itself opening your curtains and being way too cheerful. Good morning in Hindi is
सुप्रभात.
say it slowly.
सुप्रभात.
Picture a golden sunrise in your hallway saying
सुप्रभात.
every time you walk by. Ridiculous? Excellent. Ridiculous is memorable. Mini dialogue. A. Good morning. B.
सुप्रभात.
Funny memory trick. Your alarm clock puts on sunglasses and shouts.
सुप्रभात.
Very annoying. Very educational. Noon politeness mode. Now the sun is high, you are half productive, and it is time for a polite midday greeting. Good afternoon in this lesson is
नमस्कार.
repeat it.
नमस्कार.
This greeting feels respectful and calm. Imagine entering an office at noon, trying to look professional, and saying
नमस्कार.
before your brain remembers where it left your confidence. Mini dialogue. A. Good afternoon. B.
नमस्कार.
Memory image. A giant sun in a suit bows to the whole city and says,
नमस्कार.
the all-purpose classic. This one is famous, useful, and gracefully impossible to hate. If greetings had a celebrity, this would be it. Good day in Hindi here is
नमस्ते.
say it.
नमस्ते.
You can imagine folded hands, a small bow, and a warm smile with
नमस्ते.
mini scene. You enter a room. You try not to trip over the carpet. You succeed, mostly, and say
नमस्ते.
memory trick. Even a parrot on the porch folds its tiny wings and says
नमस्ते.
sunset drama. The sky turns orange, everyone suddenly becomes poetic, and now you need an evening greeting. Good evening in Hindi is
शुभ संध्या.
repeat.
शुभ संध्या.
Imagine arriving at dinner just as the host opens the door and says
शुभ संध्या.
mini dialogue. A. Good evening. B.
शुभ संध्या.
Funny image. The moon puts on sunglasses before rising and says
शुभ संध्या.
that moon is confused but helpful. Blanket of words. And now the final greeting, perfect for bedtime, soft voices, and people who are already 40% asleep. Good night in Hindi is
शुभ रात्रि.
say it gently.
शुभ रात्रि.
Imagine your pillow wearing glasses and saying
शुभ रात्रि.
like a serious professor of sleep studies. Mini dialogue. A. I am going to bed. B.
शुभ रात्रि.
This phrase is like a soft blanket made of words.
शुभ रात्रि.
Rapid fire greeting drill. Time for quick practice. Do not worry about perfection. Your job is to try, not to sound like a dictionary wearing a tuxedo. Good morning.
सुप्रभात.
Good afternoon.
नमस्कार.
Good day.
नमस्ते.
Good evening.
शुभ संध्या.
Good night.
शुभ रात्रि.
One more round, a little faster.
सुप्रभात. नमस्कार. नमस्ते. शुभ संध्या. शुभ रात्रि.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let us see what stuck. If you get one wrong, that is fine. Even brilliant people forget things while standing in kitchens. How do you say good morning in Hindi?
सुप्रभात.
How do you say good afternoon?
नमस्कार.
How do you say good day?
Namaste.
How do you say good evening?
Shubh Sandhya.
How do you say good night?
Shubh Ratri.
Goodbye for now. You did it. You now have 5 useful Hindi greetings ready for real life, imaginary parrot conversations, and dramatically polite sunsets. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
Suprabhat. Namaskar. Namaste. Shubh Sandhya.
And
Shubh Ratri.
out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing your Hindi a little every day.